Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Yes, today's video I'm going to show you how to share your WhatsApp status into your Instagram story directory. Yes guys, without prolonging, let's get started. First of all, you need to have Instagram application and WhatsApp application. Yeah, let me show you step by step. Here I'm on my WhatsApp. You see I have a status. If it doesn't have a status, yes, upload any status in order to do it as well as quickly. Yes, let me use this status. Yes, what you need to do is to select on this three dot. Yes, after selecting this three dot, yes, click on share. After clicking on share, wait. Yes, you see here, then you have to choose Instagram. Choose here Instagram. After choosing Instagram, you have many options. Yes, click on story. After clicking on a story, you see the phone will direct you on Instagram. Yes, after directing you on Instagram, wait a moment. Yes, you see this is my status and I'm on Instagram. Yes, after click here to send your status, your WhatsApp status to into your Instagram store. Click here. Yes, then after click here, you see after clicking here, you see click on share. Means to share your Instagram from WhatsApp to Instagram store. Yes, click here share. Yes, wait a moment. Wait. Yes, click on done. Also to share means done. Yeah, let me show you my WhatsApp status is shared on Instagram story. Yes, let me go back to my Instagram. Yes, click here to see your status. Okay, this is click here in upper corner. Okay, to see your Instagram status. Okay, as you see, this is my WhatsApp story which is shared on Instagram. Okay guys, you see this is easy, and it is easy in a few steps. Guys, I recommend you to subscribe on my channel